Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. How are you today? I hope everything will be fine. My name is Setioko as the moderator of Group 2. What I respect is Miss Anita as a lecturer in English courses. We will present the result of our discussion with the time of database journal review. Before getting into the discussion, let me introduce the member of Group 2. The first one is Debbie Rizaldi, then Randy Rizky Pradana, Sinta, Rizky Alfianto, and I, Tioko. In the presentation, there are 4 journals that we will review. The first is Conceptual Design of Database System in Object Relationship Attribute, Semi-Structure, ORA, SS Model. Number 2, Conceptual and Logic Information System Database Modeling Design. Design and development of the online JAS database system application, SBDOJ, for the learning process of database system courses in the ITS Informatic Engineering Department. And PHP Web-Based Electronic Spare Part Inventory Information System Design. The first journal will be discussed by Debbie Rizaldi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Debbie Rizaldi. I will explain about Journal 1 Conceptual Design of Database System in Object Relationship Attribute Semi-Structure ORSS Model. Abstract. Today, several or many computer systems generate and consume large amounts of data. This is influenced by the level of needs of users who use computer system but individually and cooperatively. The computer system in which there are applications cannot be spared from the role of the database system as a storage area. In this study, Object Relationship Attribute Semi-Structure (ORASS) modeling is used to handle semi-structured database system where the system is a file system that is recorded, manipulate, and access again, retrieve. Conditions like this trigger the emergence of redundancy and anomalies. The research method start from literature study, observation, etc. In its data recruitment is analyzed and decided with ORASS modeling so that the final result is that the data indicates is repeating or empty can reduce redundancy and anomalies. This research shows that almost all attributes in the facial and customer entities can reference attribute value to other entities through next entities without having to create new entities, so this can reduce. Research method. Number 1. Research conduct a literature review by searching for and finding reference sources that are relevant, valid, and reliable. Number 2. The observation step where the research makes visit observation and analyze to research object relate to the discussion of semi-structured database system. And number 3, research on the design of the ORASS modeling by identifying the entities involved in the file system that will turn into a semi-structured database system. In the ORASS modeling, identification of data recruitment for the database system will be carried out, including design procedural and building relationship between entities that will become objectless. Result in study, researcher use URSS modeling to design a database system with file system condition or semi-structured data. URSS can describe any relationship level or attribute of class object and can even identify if there is an indication that an attribute is an attribute of a relation type or an attribute of an object class. In this study, it can be concluded that almost all attributes in the facial and customer entities can reference attribute value to other entities through mesh entities without having to create a new entity. So this can reduce redundancy and even input anomalies and when data is entered into table.
Hello, introduce myself. My name is Sinta. Journal 2. Title: Conceptual and Logic Information System Database. Modeling Design. Volumes and Page. Volume 10, Number 2, Fix 127 132. Year 22. Writer Pradipta Ir.A. Wintoro V.B. Budianto Denny. Writing purpose. The purpose of writing to design a database structure that suits user needs and get a reliable database to be applied to a website-based system that is being built. Abstract. The development of an information system cannot be separated from the development of a database that can support the management and use of data on a running system. A good database in development by applying the database system development lifecycle (DBS-DLC) method, which includes the database design development phase. In the phase a database model is created include the development of the conceptual and logic side. In the study, we created a conceptual and logic database model that will be applied to a website-based information system. The purpose of the database design phase is to design a database, a structure that suits user needs and obtain a reliable database to be applied to the website-based system being built. This result in a database model design which can be applied to the website-based system implementation phase. Research methods. This study used the flow of database development from the initial planning, the conduct a lateral study later to the research being conducted. Next is to carry out an analysis of running business process and conduct interviews with user and make direct observation to get her system requests. Research result. In designing a database that determines that the database system is reliable is the initial planning along with the requirement gathering phase. The more detailed and complement the user and system requirements are, the more accurate the modeling phase can be made. The design of a database does not stop at the database design phase. However, this phase determines as the basis for further design both for DBMS, selection of implementation, and the development in information system application. C. This research is limited to database design in the form of ER. This opening of a great opportunity so further Research on database modeling with other methods can be carried out. Thank you.
And then the next journal 3, title Design and Development of the Online Judge Database System Application SBDOG for the Learning Process of Database System, course in the ITS Informatic Engineering Department. Volumes and page volume 6 number 2 page 506 until 509 year 2017. Writer Mustasyar DI Akbar RJ Aryani NF. Writing purpose. The purpose of writing is to make an online judge to make it easier for assistant and practice in SBDOJ material. And then abstract. The practicum of database system in the ITS Informatics Engineering Department is still being carried out manually. When the practitioner finishes work on the question, the practitioner is required to call an assistant to check the answer. Therefore, an application is needed that helps the database system practicum to become more efficient. Testing is focused on the process of assessment or judgment. The assessment process is carried out by a grader that is built in the Python language and runs in the background. Testing is done by testing several types of queries. The queries were obtained from the 2015 and 2016 database system practicum. Tests were carried out to determine the success rate of the grader in handling the process of assessing the student answer query. Research method. This study used the flow of database development from the initial planning, then conducted a literature study related to the research being conducted. And next, research result. During the process of design, implementation, and testing, the following conclusions can be drawn. 1. The SBDOJ application is capable of handling the answer query evaluation procedure from the practitioner and match with the answer key query from the assistant. 2. The business process that occurs between the assistant and the practitioner in the procedure for assessing the student answer is as follows. A. The assistant enters database data that will be used for practicum or tutorials. B. The assistant enters practicum or tutorial data. C. The assistant enters data on practicum or tutorial question. D. The assistant presses the start button on the record grader. The practitioner chooses the desired practicum or tutorial. E. Practice choosing the question you want. 8. Practice entering the query answer. G. The grader checks and assesses the query answer. And the next 3, the SBDOJ application has fulfilled the function requirement. 4. The grader has fulfilled the needs of the judgment process. 5. Based on the user acceptance test, the assistant needs SBDOJ for practicum on demand query research material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rizky Alfianto, and I will read to journal number 4. Title PHP Web-Based Electronics Spare Part Inventory Information System Design. Volume and page. Volume 2, number 2, page 1331 and 1340 years 2014. Printer Rahmat BM and Setiadi T. Writing purpose. The purpose of writing is to make an application in processing inventory data, especially spare part inventory and computerized report so that recording the flow on incoming and outgoing goods can be fast, precise, and accurate. Abstract, CV Human. Global Service is still keeping records of goods using the system manually to find out stock data and to make reports by writing in a book. Therefore, the amount of time needed to process the production of proper reports and sales transaction of goods that are accurate to the owner and reduce the possibility of recording errors. Based on these problems and application is needed in processing inventory data, especially spare part inventory and computerized reports so that the recording of incoming and outgoing goods can be fast, precise, and accurate. In this study, data collection methods use observation, interview, and literature studies. Applications are prepared using development stage. Producer, which include needs analysis, making data flow diagrams, implementation using PHP as the programming language, and MySQL as the database, testing the system by testing the black box and alpha test. From the research conducted an electronic spare parts inventory information system software based on PHP web was produced with the ability to store data on sales and purchases of goods, control the stock of goods in and out of the warehouse, and record the use of existing inventory costs. Research methods. In the study, data collection methods used observation, interview, and literature study. Research result. An application has been made in inventory information system that can be used as an information aid and improving data processing of goods and warehouse stock and recording inventory use cost. Through this inventory information system, management can make decisions based on transaction recapitulation, remaining stock, and other information. Maybe that's all I can say, and I say thank you.
To the presentation of group 2. If they are wrong word, I apologize. That's all, and thank you for watching and listening to this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.